In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use OneDrive synchronization between your Windows devices. This is a quick and easy process that will ensure your files are always available, backed up, and synchronized across all devices. Let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the system tray. This is usually near the clock and network icons. You're looking for the OneDrive Cloud icon there. Go ahead and click on it to bring up the OneDrive menu. If you don't see the icon right away, it's possible you need to expand the system tray. Look for a small upward pointing arrow, click it, and then the OneDrive icon should appear. Once you see the OneDrive menu, find and click on the Settings option. This action will open a new window filled with several tabs catering to different preferences for your OneDrive settings. When the Settings window pops up, focus your attention on the Sync and Backup tab. A single click on this tab will take you to an area specifically dedicated to how your files are synchronized and backed up. In here, you'll encounter a Manage Backup button. Click on it, as this is where you'll be able to decide which folders on your device will automatically back up to OneDrive. You'll see some toggles next to folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. If you'd like these folders to be backed up, make sure the toggle is set to On. Remember, these settings aren't permanent and can be adjusted anytime. So, if at any point you decide you don't need certain folders backed up, you can simply toggle them off. After choosing your preferred backup settings, clicking Save Changes is crucial. This ensures your preferences are stored and applied correctly. Do not skip this step, as it confirms how you want your files backed up. For syncing specific folders, navigate to the Account tab, still within the OneDrive Settings window. Within the Account tab, select the Choose Folders option. This feature lets you customize precisely which folders you'd like to synchronize with your device. It's a great way to conserve bandwidth and storage space by syncing only the essential files. You'll see a list of folders each with a checkbox beside it. Simply check or uncheck the boxes next to the folders you want to include in your sync process. If you need to make changes later, don't worry, you can easily return and adjust these selections. Once you're content with your chosen settings, clicking OK will finalize your folder selections and commence the synchronization process. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your critical files are always backed up and accessible from any of your Windows devices. This setup offers both peace of mind and the convenience of having your files readily available whenever you need them.